to my channel. It's your girl Gift. Guys, how's it going? How's everything? Thank you guys so much for the love on my last video. I really do appreciate it. I didn't know it was going to come out like that, to be honest. Like, I was like, okay, wow, thank you. If you haven't seen it, I'll put a link here so you can see the video. Yeah, just here. This card is going to come up and then you can click the card and then watch the video. Something is coming into my eyes. Okay, so today's video is going to be a very detailed brow tutorial. So let's get right into the video. I'm going to be showing you guys the most essential things you need to draw your brows. You don't need much and you don't need much time. First of all, for me, I like to go in with my setting powder just to set my brows. And I use the NYX Professional Makeup setting powder in medium. I use my setting powder to set my brow area for application. So after that, I use my spoolie or mascara one. I don't know why it's bending like this, but I think this is good for you guys. This is a spoolie or mascara one for people who don't know. So I brush my brow hairs. I mean, I have some brow hairs, so you guys should not laugh at me. Brush my brow hairs off. I have some hairs that need to be shaved off, but that's not a problem. But for people who are like beginners, I would advise you have an eyebrow shave before you try to draw your brows. I'm going to take my eye pencil. I still use this because I mean it's easily affordable. First of all, it is easy to manipulate, and I don't know, I'm just more comfortable with this. Whatever you're comfortable with. If you're comfortable with the matte kind of eyebrow fillers, those ones that you fill the eyes after you outline it, you can use that. So now I'm going to be drawing the outline of my brow. For beginner friendly, it's just advisable to use a sharp eyebrow pencil so that you get a precise brow. So now from the middle, I'm going to draw. Now can you guys see? From the middle, I drew from the middle to here. Then from here I'm going to draw. I'll start extending it from the front. Not really the front though, but like close to the front. Extend from here to join the outline you already made in the middle. After this, then you now extend again. I don't get a perfect eyebrow if I just go straight. So I have to join. So after that, you would come up to the end near the brow arc and bring it down. I didn't do anything to the front because I'll still get there. So here at the end, darken it and make it darker. Make it really dark. And now come to the front and just add strokes. Let's add some strokes. After drawing the brows, I'm going to go in with my spoolie to brush a second time. So we're going to brush the front lightly, and the end I'm going to brush it in a hard way. Using my angle brush from Bobbi Brown. This is my angle brush from Bobbi Brown. Is very good. I've been using this angle brush for a year now. I need to change it though, but it's really good. It's easy to manipulate. It's very good. Get yourself one. I'm going to go in with my concealers. I have two concealers. I'm using two concealers for this. The first concealer is the Douglas concealer. It's advisable to use a concealer which is 2 or 3 shades lighter than your actual skin color, and this is in Sun is Shining number 4. And then To highlight the ends, I'll show you guys. To highlight the ends and the top part of your brows, use a concealer which is a little bit close to your skin color, and I'm going to be using the Zaron concealer in Nubian. From the middle, you have to be really careful. I mean, it's okay to make mistakes, but be careful so you don't make mistakes. And even if you make mistakes, you make mistakes that can be corrected. After using my concealer from Douglas, I'm going to use a one shade lighter concealer to conceal the front and the end, so that when I blend, it's just blend into my skin. Conceal the top of my brow from the brow arc. You have to be really, really careful. Make sure that the end of your brow is really, really sharp. After putting my concealer, I'm going to take my blending brush from Daniel. I already used it to do this other eye, so that's why it's looking a bit dirty. So now we're going to try and blend in. Now watch me. Now this is the finished product of my brows. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please comment in the comment section. If today is your first time stopping by, thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can get notifications when I post videos. Thank you very much. See you next time on my channel. Bye.